Welcome. In this video I will show you how to run diagnostics on your DELL Latitude 7410. First of all, let's power off the PC completely by going to power options, selecting shutdown and then confirming our choice. And once the PC is turned off completely, you're gonna have to short press the power button to turn it on, and while it's being powered on, you're gonna have to start repeatedly pressing F12 button until you see preparing boot menu message in the top right corner of your laptop screen. So short press power button and then start pressing F12, and at some point you will see preparing one-time boot menu on your screen. Now here you can navigate using your up and down arrow keys. Enter to select, escape to leave this menu. In our case, we're gonna have to go to Diagnostics option, press enter to confirm, and then your PC will start a quick test automatically, the quick test of everything. So now let's wait until this quick test is finished, and let's also see if we have to interfere during this process. Okay, and so at the end of the quick test you will see the results. In my case there is an issue with the battery inside the device, as you can see, and so I got a notification about it. And if you want to use more advanced options, navigate to advanced test option, and here you can select different parts of your laptop that you want to be checked or scanned. So just hit the checkbox next to the parts of your device that you want to scan, and then click run test to run the test, and you will also get the results once you do that. Let's actually select like 3 different elements. So I think in case of some of these tests, like for the keyboard, if you want to run the keyboard diagnostics, you'll have to manually check your keys. So just select the parts of your computer that you want to check, and then wait until the tests are completed. The things like once you see on your screen right now are completely normal. Click yes if yes, and as you can see, all tests were passed successfully. But if there would be any warnings, then you will get them in your results. And you can also check the logs for your previous diagnostics right here in the logs menu. And if you want to exit diagnostic menu, click exit in the bottom right corner of the screen, then click OK, or click yes and confirm, and then your laptop will normally restart. And so that's basically how you perform diagnostics on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.